In this video, we'll learn about the self-introduction, which plays an important role in the interview. The HR asks this question to make the candidate cool and comfortable for the next process. In this self-introduction, the HR will maximum let the candidate to say some like name, place, educational background, technical skills and achievements. If he is more interested and he wants to ask more, he will ask strengths and weaknesses. Later, he will ask short term goals and long term goals. What we have to say and how to start the self introduction is first we have to greet them and we have to say our name and the place where we live and a brief introduction to that place, and we have to say the educational background where we have completed the highest qualification and what is our highest qualification, and details of our educational background like intermediate and 10th standard. And main things in this interview is for the self introduction is technical skills and achievements. He will concentrate more on technical skills and achievements. We have to mention our technical skills, what we are good in, and the achievements, what we have achieved in this field which is related to that will make more power to your self introduction. And strengths and weakness. If HR asks you strengths and weakness, better you say the weakness is as your strength. And short term goal and the long term goal, I will give some suggestions for saying strengths and weaknesses. For strengths, we can say that I'm self motivated and self disciplined and I can adapt to any kind of environment. This makes the interviewer that she or he can manage with the environment and circumstances with self discipline. So, this makes good sense. And coming to the weakness, we have to say weakness which gives strength to the work we have performed. So we can say our weakness as my weakness is I cannot tolerate any lenience in the work. This makes that you are work addicted. And what we have to say for the short term goals and long term goals is my short term goal is I want to be in such a position or the platform where I can grow my career along with the organization growth. This will suit for the freshers. And my long term goal is I want to be one of the reason for the success of organization. This makes sense. Instead of saying that I want to become CEO of this institute or some other things, better to be in polite way and decent manner.